At Government Institute of Medical Sciences, there are two control rooms that has been set up for the patient who are in home isolation as well as who are admitted in the hospital. So with me I have Dr. Abhay. Dr. Abhay, please tell us that what all questions people come up who are in home isolation as well as the people, the relatives are in the hospital.
Okay. Actually, this time people are staying at home even if they are positive, and we are reaching out to them, and they are coming up with the queries like what kind of medicine they need to take, what precaution they need to take in future, and should each and every family member should get tested, and this time, and whether this illness is little fatal, and what time they need to go for RT-PCR again. Okay, and if they have any other comorbidity like diabetes and hypertension that have caused problem in previous waves, we are focusing on the management of those illness as well, and we are telling them, and we are all rectifying their queries that whether they need to continue their medication or not. So we are getting these kind of queries, and we are resolving each and everything one by one.
Okay. Doctor, let us enter into the control room. This is the control room, the first control room for the people who are inside the hospital admitted in the wards, and also for the people who are in the home isolation. So as you can see on the screen, so this is the isolation ward from where the patient goes inside. As you can see, doctors are also going inside. So from here, because every doctor is not allowed in this section, so they keep an eye on every patient, whoever is going inside, so that the all the symptoms can be assessed, what all is happening. And if we see on the second screen here, so this is the screen, the second screen. On this, every hospital bed is visible, so that if any patient has any kind of other symptoms, or the situation arises of any kind of emergency, then they can keep an eye on every patient and they can take action on that. Doctor, as you can see here, there is a record also. Could you please tell us about it?
This is the record of patient, those who are positive and they are staying at home. We have their contact number, so we are calling them and asking them about their symptoms, and is there any comorbidity, what age group they are from, and what is the reason behind their test this time, why they have gone for test. Okay, whether their family members are positive or someone from the colleagues are positive. So this is the record. We are making calls to each and every patient and asking about their symptoms. If they have recovered, they are asymptomatic, we cross their name from this list. And we have started this from 1st of January this year, and we are regularly following. There are almost nearly 500 patients we have, more than 500 patients. We are taking care of each and every one.
Okay. Doctor, I also see a performer for home isolation. Please share the detail of it also.
Yeah, this proforma contains the name of the patient, their age, Aadhaar card number, address, and their contact number, their marital details, and their comorbidities as well, like the diabetes and hypertension, whether they are vaccinated or not. They have taken the full dose, or 1 dose or 2 dose, and what kind of symptom they are having. We are writing all these things in this proforma, and we are keeping a record so that we can follow up in a better way.
Okay, doctor. So there's one more question that arises, that what all queries that are coming in. So any kind of query that is, you think is very important for the people who are watching this right now should also know about it.
First thing, that people usually get little panic. They start looking for treatment from here and there, and they club all this treatment together and they overtreat themselves. That is the biggest thing, and this is what has happened in previous waves as well. So we are calming their nerves, we are reducing their anxiety, we are telling them what kind of illness this is and what they need to do. So calming them and making them relax, and if they are worried about the elderly patient at home, we are giving education about them as well. So that is the first thing we are doing, and this is the most important thing. Don't panic, don't be that restless, and don't try to overtreat yourself. Follow the advice, take the treatment prescribed by a doctor or some hospital. Even we are giving some medication. So this is the first thing I am just saying, take the regular medication and record your vitals every day, and just calm down and stay at home. Don't worry.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, calm down, because the mental health plays a very important role, and due to these COVID control rooms, mental health, a good mental health is a main concern here for the patients who are in home isolation. We are going to show you the other control rooms also. Just be with us.